Hey guys, I've been checking the test site and all that, and it looks amazing. I do think that the only thing that I see left is the results. So I'm going to kind of show you how we do things with the timing business, so that maybe it'll help you all in setting that up. So this is the timing system that we use, and basically I'm just going to show you how we get the times off of this onto my desktop, and then go to the website and upload. So when we time, we have all these fields, and I know a while back I sent you a list of fields that we would use on a race to race basis. So this is I can change the field header to anything. So if it's gun time, I can make it say gun time. I can make it say time, anything. And then we have division and sex, which is one thing I've not been doing on run sign up, just because it looks funky when I do it with them. But for some reason, Pat has it set up on Tri-State to make it look good. Um, so anyway, that's that. So then I go to put it onto my desktop, and it gives me a CSV file, which I'm going to pull up. Which I've sent you a few of these to give you an example of viewing of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like once I pull it off of that timing system. So up at the top you have VIN number, name, age, sex, city, state, place, times, division place, division total, sex place, sex total, pace, things like that. I do think I need to have another field, which I don't know if if y'all would be able to code that based on ages. I have no idea, but to state like what age it would be male, 20 to 29 in this example, and this one would be female, 10 to 19. But this is what it would kind of look like. Um, and now I'm going to go to run sign up and kind of give you a test of how they do things, and it might help us. So select the event, which I know you all have that now, that you can drop a CSV file. So I mean, this is kind of the same thing. Um, and this is just an email that they can contact me. Um, we might want to put something like that up at the top to contact so and so. And then this is how they look when they, instead of dragging and dropping it, they just have an upload file. Let me find it. And then this is how they kind of do things. And I can always give you my login to run sign up so you can kind of get a feel of this for yourself. But they have like a header match, which might be something that might help us just with the coding. So that if we have to specifically say time, and for some reason it says, I don't know, net time, it won't be messed up. So under number, this is bib, and then it just matches up first name, last name, age. See, this is one typo that could cause a lot of, I guess, issues. If we had it sex, we have it as gender, but with this heading match, that fixes that. City, city, state, state, the place, and then this is what I was kind of talking about, that it could be a little confusing if you want us to specifically have net time as the coding. This could help us sync it. So net time in this case would actually be chip time, and gun time would be clock time. So it's just these little simple things that might help the results look nicer, I guess. Division place, this is something that they do not have, which is what I was talking about a little bit ago, which is why I haven't been doing this. But we could have division place, division total, sex place, sex total, and then just the pace of the individual. So then when you do that, you just say set header, and it lets you see how it looks. And then you hit upload. I'm not going to upload just because it's already been uploaded. But and then if you go to Tri-State, let me find one. So all he does, I'm going to show that now. Under all results, he just has name, age, gender, time, pace, and then like if I was to click on an individual, like Nick Bias, it's going to tell him his total place out of the total number of people. It's going to say his pace, gender place, which would be sex place out of sex total. So I guess that would just be 1 out of 56 in this example. And then age would be the division. So it would be 1 out of 7 in this example. And then we have the photo tagging. I haven't been able to test that yet. But that's just something I thought might help, is this kind of header matching thing, so that the coding kind of syncs up and it makes it a little bit more easier. And again, let me know and I can give you my login and you all can test run it yourself. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know. I know my mic isn't as good on this. I'm using some demo thing because this is a new laptop, but just let me know. Thank you guys.